Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. First of all, open any browser and head over to your Discord dashboard. You can do this by typing discord.com into the address bar and pressing enter. If you are not already logged in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your Discord account, or you can also go directly like this. In the Discord dashboard, select the server or friend to whom you want to send the voice message. Now to record voice message, you will need to use an external voice recording tool since Discord doesn't have a built-in feature for voice messages. So open a new tab in your browser and search for voice recorder. From the search results, you will see a list of voice recording tools available online. Click on the first link. This will take you to the voice recording tools homepage. Click on the microphone icon located at the bottom center. Now click on allow option to grant permissions, then record your voice message. Once you are done, click on the stop icon, then click on save button to save it. It will usually be saved in default folders such as downloads unless you choose a different location. Now go back to your Discord server, click on the plus icon at the bottom center, then click on the option upload a file. Now select your voice message from here, press the enter key and your voice message will be uploaded. To listen to the voice message you have sent, just click on the file in the chat. It will start playing, allowing you to hear your recorded message. And this is how you can send voice messages on Discord PC.